Now see, if I was in a real rush, I could then step down and do the 2 bottom steps right now too. I could, and just be aware of it. Then I got the 3rd, 4th, and 5th step to do my work. I could do the top 2 steps, and then I could step over from the 3rd step on down to the ground and do the bottom 2 steps. I'm just going to do 2 here first. I don't want to get overzealous, and I want to do it at my own pace. And we'll see if we can't get these steps done. Now there's only, looks like if there was primer on here, I don't know if there was primer on here before or not, but when I scraped off the other paint, it looked white on the back side. I didn't see any white left on the steps. So if anything, it might have a coat of primer on it. It might have a coat of finish on it. So it's might have two coats of paint on there. And that's about it. And I'm reading on here. Removes epoxy, polyurethane, latex, varnish, enamel, oil-based coatings in one application. Used on wood, metal, concrete, and masonry. Oh, fast 15 minute, it says right there. About 15 minutes, we got to wait for it to bubble up. Brushable semi-paste. And you don't have to get Jasco. That's just the one I saw at the store. Professional strength Jasco. They've had some other stuff. They had another one, Clean It. I think it was called Clean It, and it was $9.98. This was $10.24 or something like that. And then they had a couple other brands too. But like I say, I've had pretty good luck with Jasco, and so that's what I thought I would use. I haven't used this, have not used it for any paint remover, probably, I don't know, 20 years, 25 years. Has it been that long? I mean, it was just the other day. I was in my 30s. I don't know what happened. You know how that goes. Okay. Looking down there, it doesn't look like it's bubbled too much, but mind you, it's only been a few minutes, and I don't think you have to put it on any thicker than what I put it on. I mean, I got a thin layer on there, and that's it. I'm thinking that 1 quart container will do everything I need. We'll see in a few minutes. You know what? I think I am going to do those bottom 2 steps while I'm waiting for this other to dry. I'm using my rubber gloves because, as I recall, this stuff kind of burns on your hands and stuff if you get it on you. Okay, so I'm going to do these bottom 2 steps here too. Shake this up a little bit more. We're trying just to keep it on the stair tread and not get it on the riser or the edge. I gotta remember where I can put my hands. I hope I don't step into this.
Wax on, wax off.
Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay. Let's get this last step on here. I want to give it enough, but I don't want to waste it. I'm thinking just a nice layer on here, not too thick. I mean, it's just like painting at this point. I think a quart is going to be plenty. I've used about maybe a quarter of the quart or a third. I've done 4 steps so far. I'm hoping not to have to put any more on. But hey, if all the paint doesn't come off, worst case scenario, I can pour a little bit more on in certain areas. Right? Yeah, I could see you want to work in a nice ventilated area with this. Because we're outside, I'm okay. But I got a couple whiffs of it. And if you feel like it, you can wear a dust mask, I would say. Okay, at this point, this is still working. It's only been a few minutes so far, and so these first couple steps are not ready just yet. They're starting to bubble, and I'm gonna give it a good 15 minutes. You saw it didn't take very long to put it on the steps. Okay, and it's only been about 5 minutes since I put it on these first 2 steps. So I'm gonna wait at least another 10 minutes, take a look at it. Before I start scraping, I want to make sure it all bubbles up. On the picture I saw at the store, it doesn't show it on this container, but on another container of paint remover, another brand, the whole area is all nicely crinkly at the top, and you can see how the paint has just lifted right up, and you can just scrape it off. I want to wait until that point. I don't want to take it off too soon, because then you're only going to get half the effect, and you may not be able to scrape it all off. Okay, so give it a good while. We'll see what it looks like, and I'll show you before I scrape it off. Figured I might as well watch a little nature while I'm waiting. And it's still bubbling. I'm not gonna do anything yet. I know, I just want to get down there and start scraping that off. But I've got to wait a few more minutes. Isn't that cool? We put this up, we weren't sure if there were any birds around, and of course they finally found it. For the first week or so there was hardly any birds that came to any of the bird feeders, and then they found them, and now they're just right at home. You get 'em, Tiger. Beautiful bird. That's a male stellar jay. Hello there. Hello, tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, you have a little buddy up there. Hello.